Question 17. This is an algebraic manipulation question where I've got to deal with quadratics, and it's fairly straightforward if you are confident manipulating algebra, but you need to have seen questions like this quite a lot of times to get the idea of what you might have to do to sort of make this work. And what I, from having seen quite a few of these questions, immediately think of is I can factorize this. Okay, so I don't know straight about what the answer is going to be, but I know that I can factorize that. I can forget about the rest of everything really, and I'm just going to start by factorizing this expression here, x squared plus x minus 2. So x squared plus 1 lot of x minus 2. How can I factorize that into two brackets in this case? I mean, it could be that you have to do it in a different way, but I can spot that I'm going to have x there and x here, and it's going to have to be two numbers here and here that multiply to give me minus 2 and add to give me plus 1. Okay, so how about plus 2 and minus 1? X plus 2, x minus 1. That works, doesn't it? X squared plus 2x minus 1 lot of x minus 2. So that is equivalent to that. So I can then, instead of having this x squared, all that, I've got this bit. And I can also factorize this. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So this has been factorized to give me that. This 3x minus 1, so I've got that on top. On the bottom, I've got this 3x minus 3. But if I factorize that, isn't it also 3? If I factorize it into 3x minus 1, right? Because that gives me 3x minus 3. So I've expanded that out. I've now, I've factorized this. I've factorized the bottom part, and I see that I've got a common factor. So if I've got a common factor, I can cancel it out. Those two I can cross out. So that gives me x plus 2 over 3, which is what that is there. Yeah, which is that there. So we have shown that this equals that. I didn't need to think about this. I took one step at a time. Do something. Make a start when you're faced with this. Factorize this. Factorize this. And then, hey presto, you've spotted that you've got a common factor, and it all then comes into place.